Good morning! Today I'm gonna film another vlog. I'm also filming another video for my Patreon page, which is a draw with me a vlog, I would say. And now I'm off to breakfast with a friend of mine. I'm gonna take Flynn with me. He is currently having some snuggle time with his dad, and I am sitting outside having my coffee. I am back from the breakfast and I just put the little one underneath his play gym, and there's your Cooper. He's taking care of the baby. He wants to play with the ball. And it's not ready yet to throw you the ball, but he will be soon, I promise. Oh, bless you. Look at this. So I collaborated with Chroma, and they basically do phone cases, and they asked me to work together on a phone case collection with my designs. So they just sent me the samples. I just got them this morning and they look amazing. So let me show you the design. So this is the first one. I love it. It's so good. It's the second one. I can't even decide what is my favorite. They all look so good. Then this one, it still has this still has this foil thing on top. So here we go. Oh my goodness, it's so good. This is the one I'm currently wearing on my phone. So you get those bumpers. They have them, or basically they sent me them in white, and then also the pink one, and then also a black one. I haven't unpacked this one yet. And then you can pair them however you want and whatever fits your phone. I chose the white one, but I think I'm gonna switch it to the pink one. And then also we also have this design. I'm gonna remove the plastic thing. So this is the third design. It also looks really nice, actually. Look, how cool is that? I'm very happy with all the samples. They did an amazing job. The releases and this collection will be released by the end of June. I will definitely let you know in the next vlog, probably, when it is released. Very happy. Which one is your favorite? I cannot really decide. In the beginning I thought this one, but now when I see them live, I also really like this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. I love them all. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Hi guys, I'm just editing the video, so this is editing Sarah, and I had to pause the vlog right here because I filmed that video weeks ago and it took me ages to edit. But the collection is out right now. The release is today, so today is Friday, so when you're watching it, probably yesterday. And you can already get the cases on the website. A link for you down below. So the cases are available for iPhone 6 and newer devices, and also for Samsung, I have to read that, Samsung S10, S10 Plus, S10e, S9 and S9 Plus. I also have a coupon code for you guys. It is Sara Faber and you get 15% off. This is the one I currently have on my phone and I love it. I'm also hosting a giveaway over on my Instagram page. There will be 2 winners and each one will get a frame and 2 back plates of your choice. Okay, that's it. Let's get back into the video. Hello, same old place. I am currently working on a little mini tutorial series I started on my Patreon page. I did like step-by-step pictures before. I still do them, but every once in a while I want to do a little mini tutorial instead, and I am currently preparing the first page of the first page of the tutorial. This is how it's gonna look like. It's super hot outside. It's like 32 degrees. And the coolest room is our bedroom. So I am here again, working from here, and Flynn is sleeping here. Okay, so I finished the illustration now. So this is going to be the cover of the tutorial, and then I have prepared some, like this, some steps showing and explaining exactly how I do it and how I color it. These are just my sketches. I think I'm gonna finish the rest of the tutorial tomorrow, because I think the little one will wake up very soon, and later today we will go out for dinner, and it's already 4 p.m. so yeah, we go out for dinner early because Flynn has to go to bed pretty early, so we go to dinner early. Hello. So it's 2 days later already. I haven't filmed anything yesterday because I only worked in the evening, but I didn't film it. And then today I want to get a little mini tutorial done for my Patreon page, and also draw something. I already have the sketch done. Today I am planning to finish it, or at least continue the drawing. And I just made myself some lunch, and I have him in this little carrier thing, but now he fell asleep, so I will put him in his little lounger, or at least I will try to do that, and have my lunch. Otherwise I would just have my lunch on top of him. That's also fine.